TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 30 minutes into the trading day on Wednesday, and quite a start to the downside as trade war tensions loom. Dow Jones negative 161, trading 24,758. S&P's currently negative by 15, trading 2778, and NASDAQ currently negative by 37, trading at 7721. We'll start things off. There's your S&P chart. So quite the acceleration last night on the trade announcement that President Trump was looking at a potential $200 billion with a B additional tariffs over on China, so markets spike lower. We've rebounded a bit from those lows. Let's jump over to the VIX this morning, as we're seeing still relatively low VIX, 1352 as this market opens down triple digits, but the VIX unfazed. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. We'll start off with the Dow 30. So again, there's your acceleration on the downward news of the additional tariffs, $200 billion possible for China. Currently, Dow trading 24,758. At one point overnight, we were solid about 130 points below this level, trading 24,613, about 9 o'clock last night, Eastern Time being the lows. NASDAQ 100 rebounding, now right in that bar almost from where we spiked lower last night. NASDAQ 100 trading 72.74. That's a solid 70.70, almost 1% off the lows we had in the NASDAQ 100 last night. S&P 500 currently trading 27.82. You got crude oil bouncing around this morning. Of course, crude will have the EIA inventory numbers 10:30 a.m. this morning, about a half hour from right now. Be interesting to see how those numbers come in. Gold contract trading 12.51, spiked to about 12.48 earlier, about a couple hours ago. And Bitcoin trading a bit higher. Still, you're only talking about an $80 trading range. Well, maybe a $100 trading range overnight, but at the top of that trading range, trading 63.99 on the dot. So, of course, you have the tariffs playing into the market this morning on the open, and you also have PPI data, Producer Price Index, coming out 8:30 a.m. this morning, seeing a 0.3% increase month on month, and also equating to a 3.4% increase year over year, and that being the largest gain since November of 2011. So maybe some inflation coming in there. We'll see how that shakes out. Stay tuned. I'll be coming back here 10 o'clock with Tom. We'll have those oil numbers right at 10:30. Then, of course, we have swim lessons, Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien, all this afternoon. Have a great Wednesday, everybody.